I know what you thinking, this is mad disrespectful, but I say fuck it though. Lil' Chris. Take her back to the first grade. Middle class, both pants had to work late. Remember running around the playground chasing the girl of my dreams, but I only got the first base. Go figure, cause now I'm like a young Babe Bonds in this bitch.
Cold start. What a nice day.
You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. And you know how
Remember that. So today, this is probably too zoomed in. Today, I'm gonna work on the trailer. I'm gonna show you how to plug a tire. So we're gonna do that together. Tires on the trailer are way far gone, but we're gonna wait until spring to get new ones. The road's known up here for ruining tires, so we'll go with the old ones. Yeah, we'll see what today brings us. How does that sound? How about that?
Stop it. Get some help.
We are hitched.
Years later, if you still hate, not cut you up in the elevator. Explain to you why you still broke, you make the grade and go celebrate. Explain to you how we made a meal and went back to work about a minute later. You explain to me why you gave up. I explain to you while I'm still taking you real patient.
It's time to plug it. First, let's find the hole.
Boy, my bedroom got cop toys. My brain got a lot. People paid for my dots. Boy, I'm faded, so rockin' this haze on my goggles. This dame's on my cock. Get too lazy to stop. But ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby. You need me, call me, no matter where you are, 'cause I'll be your star. Ain't no mountain that's high enough. Ain't no valley that's low enough. Stop.
We'll get new tires, but here in Labrador, you can't really just go to the store and get one. We're way into the backcountry, so gotta make do with what we have. Duh.
Take her back to the first grade. Middle class, both pants had to work late. Never running around the playground chasing the girl of my dreams, but I only got the first base. Go figure, cause now I'm like a young Babe Bonds in this bitch. Second grade, started hanging around with misfits. Third grade, learned how to use my fistics. My papa told me, boy, you better use your senses. And I was on the right track. Then I hit it right back. He like, you be where your life at, where your life at. I'm like, mama, gotta fight back. Cause nowadays these rappers ain't fire. Couple more years before them to retire. They keep falling, we just keep climbing. Up and higher and higher. Cause ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby. If you need me, call me, no matter where you are.
Alright, so this is the town of Port Hope, and it's a beautiful day all of a sudden.
Ain't no mountain that's high enough. Ain't no valley that's low enough. Stop. Still hating, I catch you up on the elevator. Explain to you why why you still broke, cause you make a grand and go celebrate. Explain to you how we made a meal and went back to work about a minute later. You explain to me why you gave up, I'll explain to you while I'm still taking you real patient. I'm not, boy. My bedroom got top toys, my brain got a lot. People pay for my dots, boy. I'm faded, so rockin' this haze on my goggles, this dame's on my cock, and too lazy to stop, but ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby. If you need me, call me, no matter where you are, cause I'll be your star. Ain't no mountain that's high enough, wide enough, baby. Ain't no valley that's low enough.
It was the mouse. That's moose.
Remember running around the playground chasing the girl of my dreams, but I only got the first base. Go figure, cause now I'm like a young Billy Bonds in this bitch. Second grade started hanging around with misfits. Third grade learned how to use my business. My mama told me when you better use your senses, and I was on the right track. Then I hit the right track, the right track. Got the paper, the light track, the light track. I'm on the right track, got a right track. Now the niggas rappers ain't poppin'. Couple more niggas is on 6 in the docket. They keep falling down, up and higher and higher.
Yeah, I tell you, we're really in the mood to work right now, and we're just ready to go right at it and cut a lot of wood. So we're really gonna cut a lot of wood. He's gonna go and cut a bit of wood and have a beer, and maybe cut another stick and have a beer. Well, do something maybe. No promises. That's done. So I'll cut down and cut up. I'll check back in with you guys when something interesting happens. It's so green. Such a tragic story I'm about to tell you. See how close they were growing? It's like the Titanic where they were close to each other when they died. I don't know if the girl died in Titanic. It'll still burn though. We're cutting in Mexico right now.
There was snow in Mexico.
No! Cut in Mexico, and this is all Mexico.
I found 2 hootenannies over there.
2 hootenannies?
To be enough, isn't it?
Would be enough? Then we can just pass through somewhere?
Yeah.
Now, when you hear us say hootenannies, if I could walk here, that'd be great. Because what I mean, these are big sticks. These here, they're big pieces of wood. It's about 1 foot in diameter. It's about 1.5 feet in diameter. They're big. They're big. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut them. So we're gonna put them in the truck. We're done cutting. We pretty much just got sick of it. I hope you liked this video. Hope it helped. How to plug a tire plus a little bit of screwing around. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a like. Helps a lot. I really appreciate it. Leave some suggestions in the comments below of what you want to see. And that'll be it for today. You guys, you guys have a good day.
Ain't no river wide enough, baby. If you need me, call me, no matter where you are, cause I'll be your star. Ain't no mountain that's high enough.
Ready to go?
It's not seeds.
You're not black from the waist down at all. That's the biggest bit of bullshit. I'm not going at that. I'm not working on the road. I don't care if they paid me. I don't have time for that. I can start a company. That's gonna be it for that.
I'm going up there. I walk into a foreman and I said, I want to go to work for free. They're going to pay me. After the first week, I said no. I'll do the work for me, but you don't have to pay me the first 2 weeks. After the first 2 weeks, if I don't work for me, I can replace for me.
Yeah.
They don't want 3 of their salary.
3 of their salary. I can't wait for me to you be on the side of the road like flagging, hey, like with the stop sign, and I'll pass you and I'll just like spray rocks on you and laugh at you, because that's what I do to that crowd.
You won't catch me up there with flagging, man. I guarantee that. I go on welfare.
You go on welfare. You probably could too. Well, what would you want to do? What would you do up there?
I go up and screw with foreman's Dodgers and stuff like that.
Yeah, you can do that.
There's a job there for that. And all the workers, their wives,
Yeah.
home, I go around and keep them busy, keep them satisfied.
And that's what you get paid to do. Yes, I'd love to see a skipper on the Column Sea that makes all kinds of money. Oh, but now he's working on the roads.
It was up my large game I got 9,000.
Yeah.
I get this day.
Small. I don't know.
Hope the period, I take all that in one trip.
Yeah.